Hello! Our first step is to install Visual Studio Code. Then we select the version we want to install. Now we need to install an extension called Live Server. For this we go here and type Live Server. We select the first option, with this logo. And we click Install. Now let's write our first Hello World. For that, we need to create our files. Index.html, script.js, and finally style.css. We need an HTML skeleton and we have two options. We can search it in Google or we write an exclamation point and then hit enter. Now let's rename the page title to JavaScript Introduction. Much better. Let's add our CSS file. The relationship is style sheet. And the reference is style.css. And finally our JavaScript file. The source is script.js. Now let's output the long-awaited hello word in the developer console. Every time we want to output something to the console, we need to write console.log. Finally, let's change the background color to aqua. To see what we did, click right mouse button and open with Live Server. In our browser, we click Inspect Element and then selected the console. And here it is. Hello World. In the next videos, we will cover all topics, and at the end of this series you will know how to program in JavaScript. Until the next video.